Hello beautiful people. Nature is full of medicinal herbs and plants with remarkable natural health benefits. Among them, Korean ginseng is known as the king of herbs with astounding healing properties. Korean ginseng, also called Asian ginseng or Panax ginseng, is a traditional Asian herb. Renowned around the world for its potential to prolong life, promote health and body vigor, and treat many health issues. In fact, although most herbs only treat one ailment, Korean red ginseng has so many applications for health that its scientific name is designated Panax ginseng, because the Latin word Panax means a cure-all. The health effects of ginseng are most highly associated with ginseng root extracts from roots verified as having been grown for 6 years when ginseng plants are fully mature. Therefore, of all the kinds of Asian Panax ginseng, 6 years grown Korean red ginseng is the most powerful ginseng and preferred for its functional health purposes and often sells at higher prices by quality manufacturers. Korean ginseng offers significant benefits not only to your physical health but also to your mental health. 1. Combats viral infections. Research shows that ginseng may possess the potential to play the role of an adaptogen. Ginseng prolongs life by fighting Pseudomonas aeruginosa and viral infections. Research has continuously supported the protective role of ginseng against anti-cancer drugs and treatments, and its ability to counter chemotherapy's side effects. Besides, ginseng is used to prevent abuse and dependence on psychostimulants and opioids. 2. Reduces cholesterol and blood sugar. The regulating effects of Panax ginseng on the immune system have been studied in Western herbal medicine to find potential effectiveness in protecting against colds, flu, and a few forms of cancer. Korean ginseng has been found to reduce blood levels of cholesterol and sugar in clinical studies. Hence, the herb may help in the treatment of high cholesterol and type 2 diabetes. 3. Slows down aging. Korean red ginseng comprises anti-aging substances like antioxidants and insulin, like substances that are not available in any other kind of ginseng. It also helps supply blood flow to the internal organs, through capillaries which normally shrink as we age, allowing for better bodily performance and organ health. 4. Protects from cancer. This herb consists of anti-tumor properties and offers protection against some types of cancer like stomach, ovarian, pancreatic, liver, and lung cancers. Smokers taking ginseng have a lower risk of the usual cancers related to smoking compared to the smokers not taking it. Ginseng also offers better outcomes for patients with breast cancer, like better life quality and improved rates of survival. The herb offers cancer patients increased energy as well as stimulates their appetite. 5. Enhances strength, endurance, and energy. One of the most well-known health benefits of ginseng is that it boosts energy. The herb has been employed to enhance stamina and strength for hundreds of years. Korean ginseng is beneficial for healthy individuals who intend to boost their physical performance, as well as those coping up with any disease-based fatigue. The boosts in mental energy offered by ginseng are smooth, quite unlike that given by coffee. It would not make you crash or jittery. The herbal medicine has been found to lower fatigue and boost energy in patients of cancer. Ginseng is also a useful herbal remedy for chronic fatigue syndrome. 6. Helps in reducing stress. Ginseng is employed to both relax and stimulate the nervous system. The herb boosts capillary circulation in brain and reduces stress effects. A research published in Phytotherapia stated that the positive effects of ginseng may be due to its ability to strengthen the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, hence increasing the secretion of stress-busting hormones like corticotrophin. These hormones help the body to cope up with stress and reduce its level to a minimum. 7. Improves mental performance and memory. Ginseng serves as a brain protector and booster. The herbal medicine can boost your mental performance and concentration ability. Since it is an antioxidant, the herb protects vulnerable brain cells from free radical damage. Moreover, it prevents memory loss and safeguards against mental decline related to age. Having Panax ginseng root for 12 weeks regularly can boost mental performance of patients with Alzheimer's disease. Korean ginseng also boosts memory in case of stroke patients. 8. Boosts mental well-being and mood. Korean ginseng results in a relaxed yet alert state of mind, quite similar to what you experience after drinking green tea. The benefits of ginseng often reported by study participants are better energy and enhanced overall well-being, better sleep, better sex life, and enhanced personal satisfaction. The herb finds its use in treatment of both depression and anxiety. 9. Helps in maintaining a healthy heart. Ginseng tea has the potential to stabilize your blood cholesterol levels, lower your low-density lipoprotein (LDL), and much more. LDL is the harmful cholesterol that clogs up arteries. The all-natural ginseng tea is loaded with antioxidants that help in getting rid of free radicals, which are capable of damaging heart tissues and arteries. 10. Improves sexual function. For a long time, ginseng has been used to improve sexual function and libido in men as well as women. In traditional medicine of China, the herb is considered as an aphrodisiac and is employed for restoring sexual function in men. Korean red ginseng has been especially helpful for men with erectile dysfunction, and the herb has helped in about 60% of cases. Women can benefit from the herb for unwanted menopause symptoms, such as fatigue, insomnia, anxiety, depression, and low libido. To conclude, Korean ginseng is loaded with benefits for your mind and body. You can reap the benefits of this extraordinary herb and feel the improvement in your overall health. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.